Our book, For the Love of Renovating, is a collection of all we have learned about design and renovation over the years.
We downloaded everything that we know about renovating a house out of our heads and into this book.
It follows the same process we go through with our clients: how to find the perfect fixer-upper, how to renovate on any budget, designing room by room, and of course, getting it all done.
And it not only includes beautiful imagery from all of our projects, it also has step-by-step guidance on every single detail, from how to lay out your kitchen to making it beautiful, and even how to pick out a door, understanding the swing, and how to get the right size.
We created this book to give you the confidence to get through any renovation on any budget.
We hope that it inspires you to dream up your next renovation and empowers you to get it done.
For the Love of Renovating is available for pre-orders now and available for shipping June 4th.
So follow the link below and get your copy today.